Folks, this is what I'm talking about right here. This is about from the size of it, from what I can tell, it's about a 3 to 5 acre chunk of grass smack dab in the middle of dark timber. And it reeks of elk. We are about, I bet every bit of 300 yards down the hill from the wallow and to the west a little bit. The problem is, and the reason why there's so much grass in here is all the trees around here are pretty much dead, and I don't know if there's a tree I can get up into. The wind is swirling bad, so I gotta get out of here pretty quick, but this is what I'm talking about. Look for. You find these pockets, and you might just find out where the elk are.